Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
Fine. How are you, teacher?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. Open your books, page 74.
Okay.
السلام عليكم.
Wa alaikum salam. Muhammad Azari.
ايه يا استاذ.
Okay, open your book, page 74.
اوكي
Loy al-Maliki and Mashari. Welcome back to you after vacation in second term now. So in second term, we will start with unit number 4. Yes. Not working?
Not from here because there is not working. Yes. Zoom is here. You understand? Can
So-
I here then I go there?
No. You start. You have Zoom in your.
Yes, but the WhatsApp is not working. I want to
How
send the
come?
link.
I know, but you start WhatsApp here. Okay.
Uh,
الو يا استاذ.
هلو مستر زيا. مستر زيا. Mr. Zia has muted himself. Wow.
Yes. I am talking to Mr. Isham. Just wait. Okay. Just 1 second.
Okay, take your time.
طيب. يشبه قلبي قلب مهموم وعيوني تعشق.
Hello, boys.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm
I miss
fine.
you so
Welcome back
much.
to you. I miss you too, Firas.
Thank you, Mister.
You are welcome. Okay, open your books, page 74. Now we are entering in second term, and we will,
Memorize the word.
yeah, we will start from 74. Page 74, unit number 4.
Oh, okay. I open it.
Electrical
conductors
conductors
and
and
isolators.
insulators.
Insulators.
Yeah. Okay, tell me if you listen electric. What do you know about electric or electrical or electricity or anything like that?
Electric is
Yeah.
والله ما أعرف.
Electricity. انت ما عارف electricity؟
إلا electricity يعني كهرباء.
ايوه. Very good. The same. If you listen electricity, electrical, okay,
Yeah.
these are or electronics. Did you know about electronics? If you go any shop, it's written electronics like.
Yeah, like phone or PC or.
Yeah, like Firas Electronics. The shop name is Firas Electronics. What is
Yeah,
it? It's mean they have the things which work with electricity. يعني مع الكهرباء. هو شغل مع الكهرباء. They are used by electricity. فهمت? Understood? And if you hear about electric, the word electric, it's mean kahraba, electricity. Okay, so we are going to use electricity in electrical things, electronics. Okay, what are electrical conductors? and insulators. These are two
teacher I
words.
know electrical يعني كهرباء بس هذا
أيوة.
الكلمة الثانية إيش هي؟
أيوة, I will tell you, no problem. We are going to start, you will know, okay, with the passage
أوكي
of
أوكي
time, don't worry. Okay. So electrical conductor is something, some object, any substance which allows current यानी electricity to pass through it. यानी हो तवसील الكهرباء.
and
فهمت?
like now I am charging my laptop.
Yes. Those, so the silk, not actually the wire, plastic wire, there is a wire inside the plastic wire, which is made of copper. فهمت?
Yeah.
The color is golden, gold color, copper color. That one is conductor. But if you grab plastic or the wire, plastic wire, you will not
Plastic wire, silk.
current. Why? Because it is insulator. The current does not pass through it. Walaikum salam.
Not conductors.
No, the plastic wire is not conducting the current. The conductor is inside, यानी जुआ, फिर जुआ मौजूद. And
Yes.
aywa. So now I will make a shape and make it easy for you. Maybe we have on next page. No. Aywa. Look, this is the wires, huh?
Yeah, this is the wire and this is the
giving
battery.
you, yeah, I'm just giving you example, right? Okay,
Yeah.
now you saw the wire. Okay, just let me make it. Okay, so this is wire, right?
This is wire.
Okay, suppose this is wire. Okay, inside the wire there is another wire. This is outside, there is a plastic layer. Inside there are some wires which are made of copper like this. صح؟
Yeah, exactly.
وهذا كسر انت شوف جوا يعني if it is broken you can see it. There are copper wires.
Blue and red.
So, yeah, those are these wires which are inside. These are conductors, but which is outside the plastic wire. This is insulator.
Insulators. Yeah.
If you think this is wire,
Wire means
if
silk.
these are wires,
Silk.
silk, yes. The outside plastic, this is this is insulator, the outsider layer. Inside there is conductor which is copper. Okay. So in this chapter unit we will talk about these points. Okay, now let me make it. Okay, so in this module you will find out how some materials are better conductors of electricity than others. Find out how some materials are good conductors of electricity and most other materials are not. Learn why metals are used to for cables and wires and why plastic are used to cover wires as covers for plugs and switches. As I told you, the plastic wire, it is covering the copper wire. So copper wire is inside the plastic. Predict and test the effects of making changes of to circuits. Draw a diagram of series circuit using symbols. We will discuss all of these points in this unit. Okay. Now word cloud. Who will read?
Mimi.
Okay, start. Mr. Mimi.
All the word Mimi is for us.
Yes, I know.
Circuit diagram.
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 Aywa.
Circuit. Battery. Conductor. Insulator.
Aywa. Muhammad. Muhammad Azhari.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read them all.
Yes, yes.
Read the words, please.
Okay. In this module, you will
No,
find
this one
out
only. Words.
how some materials.
Muhammad, only words, ya Habib.
Okay.
Yeah.
cricket diagram,
circuit
insulator,
circuit diagram.
circuit diagram, circuit, insulator, conductor, battery.
Okay.
Conductor.
Hatim Muayyad. हातिम मौजूद?
أنا أستاذ من الحاتم العمري.
ايوه حبيبي يلا. حاتم
طيب
حاتم مع الامري ما في موجود. ايوه read
هلا يا أستاذ.
read these words يا حبيبي.
أوك. باتري.
اوكي.
كوندكتور. انستليتر. انسوليتر. سيركت.
diagram انا اقرا ممكن 3 مرات يا حاتم لازم رقص يا حبيبي. يلا لؤي. لؤي المالكي موجود؟ ضياء موجود؟ مشاري موجود؟
Yes, teacher.
اوكي read the
أيوة
word.
ضياء موجود.
يلا مشاري اقرا بعدين ضياء انت اقرا. اوكي يلا مشاري.
Circuit.
read the words يا حبيبي.
Circuit.
ايوه.
Darning. Insulator.
ما شاء الله.
Collector.
insulator يا حبيبي. يعني انت ما
Insulator. Correct.
you are not listening huh? What is this?
Conductor. Battery.
This is circuit diagram. Okay Zia.
Okay.
Zia. زيا ليش ما في رود؟ انت إلك؟
لا يا أستاذ قاعد يعلق لما أفتح أنا عندي الشاشة مكسورة. أيوة.
يلا اقرأ يا حبيبي.
وين؟ كروكتي.
ما شاء الله.
إيش؟
زيا 5 times 5 مرات اقرأ أنا لكن أنت ما يعرف ها؟ ما في رقص ها؟ أنا كلام أي نفر واحد كلكم لازم يسمع. You must hear it well. You must listen to me. It is circuit. إيش كركت؟ circuit diagram. You are in grade 6 يا حبيبي. circuit diagram. circuit. فهمت؟
circuit.
أيوة circuit diagram. insulator.
circuit diagram. insulator. كاركت.
again circuit. هذا سم ما في سم.
لا.
circuit.
circuit.
conductor. battery. زيا لازم رقص. هذا أول يوم يا حبيبي لازم رقص كلكم. مشاري أو أي نفر. أيوة لؤي اقرأ يا حبيبي.
من وين؟ هاي أستاذ.
أيوة اقرأ يا لؤي.
كرايكت.
circuit.
سارست.
circuit يا لؤي حبيبي اقرأ اسمه مضبوط. circuit. diagram. insulator.
conductor.
circuit.
battery. تواني قلتها.
circuit يا حبيبي ما في كركت. اوكي ايوه مرة ثانية ما في اقرأ غلط. circuit هذا circuit. electric means كهرباء. conductor means اي شيء هو توصيل الكهرباء، وانسوليتر هو ما في توصيل زي خشب او زي هذا. اوكي هذا هو واجب، اكتب هذا في الدفتر وارسلني. اوكي فهمني؟ You will write these words in your notebook and send me. اوكي الحين في الكتاب اكتب بالترتيب. اوكي انا اعلمك وانت اكتب. This is diagram on page number 76. Number 1, which is battery. Okay, wires. Where are wires? This is wire. Firas. أي نفر موجود في الفصل؟ Anybody is there?
Yes, فراس is موجود.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is wire, right? You write
Yes,
it.
this is a wire.
Yes.
أيوة اكتب wire يلا. This
And the
word
notebook?
in the book يا حبيبي. Here in your book.
Oh, okay. Teacher, this is I write it from past.
أيوة battery is written, right?
Yeah,
Bulb.
battery مكتوبة.
أيوة bulb is here and then connector is here.
Here, yeah, I write it before.
Okay, write it. Muhammad, Dia, Yas, Hatim, Loy.
Teacher, I said.
Okay. كتبت يا حاتم؟ كتبت يا ديا؟ Nishari finished?
Yes.
Okay. Good or poor conductors? Good conductors, it means they are better to conduct the electricity, and poor means which are not capable or maybe a little current can pass through. Find out how some materials are better conductors of electricity than others. The big idea is some materials are better conductors of electricity than others. Can you remember any parts of circuit? Earlier learning, yes. Battery, bulb, wire, switch, there were many. Look at the picture of a circuit. Circuit is where electricity can flow through a series of conductors. Name the parts. Okay, we named them. Okay, so here you can see circuit, which is here is rubber band, which is not a conductor. And this rubber is not a conductor. This paper clip is conductor. Okay, if you put here this paper clip, if you put it here, it will work. It will work because we need conductor to make a circuit, complete circuit. If you put any part which is insulator, the bulb will not light. The bulb will not light. Look at the picture of circuit and
Teacher, without wire and battery, it will not work. Yes.
yes, same like here, it's broken. It is broken circuit because there is an insulator in between the way. So it will work. You need insulator. You need conductor, sorry. Okay. If every
Okay.
part is a conductor, the current will go like this. The current will flow. But if like this, if you have insulator, the current will come, but from here it will not reach, it will not cross this insulator. How it will go there? No, it can't, because there is insulator in between the way. The bulb or right bulb, the glass part of the bulb is light of lamp. The bulb is lit up when electricity flows through, but here the electricity cannot flow. How has the current changed so that electricity can flow from the battery and light up the bulb? Because this circuit is complete and this is not complete. Okay, understand?
Yes, understand.
Yes, yes.
Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.